Hey, how's it going, guys? It's been a little while since I made my first video on my Inbrace journey, but just wanted to give you guys a quick update video. At this point, I'm about a little over 5 months in since I got them put in at first. I just had my second follow-up appointment with the orthodontist about 2 weeks ago. I'll give you a quick recap on the whole process. So yeah, I got them put in about 5 months ago, a little over 5 months ago. I had my first follow-up appointment at the 8-week mark, and during that appointment they didn't actually put in a new wire. All they did was they took the bottom wire out, and then they created a little bit of space between my bottom front teeth. The way they did that was they used this tiny little disc, and they just shaved off a tiny little bit of teeth, a bit of my front teeth. I think they said it was like 1 to 2 millimeters, but they shaved off just enough to let my teeth move a little easier in place. And then after they did that, they just put the wire back in. And one thing I want to mention was it was actually very uncomfortable when they had to remove the wire. It was kind of stuck in a way, and they really had to tug and pull really hard in order to get it out. So I really wasn't mentally prepared for that. And I was scared they're gonna pop my teeth out for a minute. And yeah, so that was very uncomfortable. So just a heads up, if you haven't had your first follow-up appointment, I would recommend taking some Tylenol and Advil just to make it a little less uncomfortable. But anyways, that was my first follow-up. And then my second follow-up was around the 20-week mark, or about like 2 weeks ago. I'm 2 weeks after my second follow-up right now. And during that appointment, they actually put in a new wire. So they took my old wires out on the bottom and top. And it was really uncomfortable like the first time, but luckily I took some Tylenol and Advil first, or before the appointment, so it wasn't quite as uncomfortable. But yeah, they took the wires out and then they put some new ones in with a little bit more strength. And they were a little uncomfortable for about the first week after having them. You know, my teeth were really sensitive again. I wasn't able to chew much besides like scrambled eggs, tofu. I drank a lot of protein shakes again. But took about a week for that sensitivity to go away again. They also had to put in some rubber bands, unfortunately. I'll get up a little closer to give you guys a better look. So yeah, here are the rubber bands. And the way they stay in is they put 2 small little hooks on a set of bottom and top molars. I'll take a rubber band out just to give you a better look. Alright, so there's a tiny little clear hook right here, and then a metal hook on the top. Then let me see, here's a rubber band. It's a really small little ring. You just hook it around and then pull. Boom. It's really easy to take in and out. It took a little bit of practice, but now I can do it in no time. And they're honestly not that bad. The worst part is you gotta remember to take them out before you eat anything and before you brush your teeth. They said they're supposed to be in about 22 hours a day, so pretty much all the time. And the point of them is to basically help to correct my bite position. It's still not quite where it should be yet. So, and also I did get a small little sore on the inside of my cheek from the bottom right hook. That was annoying, but the sore lasted about a week, and since then it's been fine. It's not hurting at all. Yeah, also I wanted to mention they were able to shave off my bite turbos that I had. I actually didn't mention this in my previous video, but when I first got the braces in, they had to actually put in what's called bite turbos or build-ups. I think they're made out of like the same material as like filling, but they had to put them on top of a set of my bottom molars. And the point of the bite turbos was to prevent me from chomping down on the brackets as my teeth are moving in place. They did make it more challenging to chew. That's one of the reasons why I had a lot of difficulty chewing for the first 3 weeks or more since I got my braces first. But yeah, I was really glad that they were able to get rid of those bite turbos in my last appointment. And eating's definitely a lot better since they took them out, so I'm really happy about that. But anyways, I think that's about all I wanted to talk about today. If I have any new developments, anything important, I'll try to make another video and let you guys know about it. If you have any questions, just let me know down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you the best I can. If you thought this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. All right, take care guys, bye.